Hey, it's Gary Bernier, Wizard of Digital at the Business Growth Guys, Wizard of Ads partner. And today I'm going to take you through Yoast, and we're going to optimize a blog page. So this is, as you can see, WordPress, and it's our Oldsmobile podcast from the Empire Builders podcast. And you'll notice Yoast has both red and shows up down here in this little sidebar for Yoast. Readability needs improvement and SEO analysis needs improvement. Now, you'll find Yoast down at the bottom of your post. Shows up down here. Now, number one reason it's showing up red is there is no key phrase in here. So I'm going to type in Oldsmobile as the key phrase. And right away you notice the title is too long, getting a red bar. I've got to redo the title. The meta description is also too long. That's why it's showing up orange. And what other problems do we have? No outbound links, key phrase not in the introduction, key phrase in the meta, SEO title width, which you already mentioned, images, meta description length. Okay, so and then the stuff that is good is in green. So those are the things we don't have to worry about. These are the things we do have to deal with. So no outbound links, we can solve that one pretty easily. Let's fix the title. We're going to shorten it down to that. So I take out the variable for title and I put in my own. And now I've got a green bar. That's good. And it will come out of down here. Notice now we only have outbound links, key phrase issues. There we go. Cleaned up. We got a green. All right. What do we got left? Outbound links. So Steven has his own website. So an easy outbound link for me is to take Steven, hook him up. There. Set it to open a new tab, and away we go. There it is. We have an outbound link. Now it would be just as easy to take Oldsmobile and make it a link. Let's see what our SEO looks like now. Sorry for the rapid scrolling. Okay, key phrase in the introduction, key phrase in the meta description, image name, or image and a key phrase. So the next thing we're going to do is add an image in here of the Speedwagon because we need one. And so let's do that. Let's find out where Speedwagon shows up in here. There we go. That's a good spot for it. So we'll add an image. So in case you didn't know, this is what an REO Speedwagon looks like. So I'm going to stick it over here to the right. And I'm going to move it up a little bit. And there we go. So by putting in the alt text, we're picking up what we need for SEO. If you go down into advanced, you'll see the title attribute. You can also put it in there, hit update, scroll down, and you'll notice that the image has been taken care of. So that's how you use Yoast to optimize your page. You need to come down and make sure the title's good, the meta description's good, and that you've eliminated as many of the problems as you can, depending upon your post. If you have any questions about using Yoast, put them in the comments below. If this video was helpful, give me a like and subscribe so you can see more of the stuff that we publish. Thanks.